Episode 216, No Edits Crypto. Really sacrificing my my love for sports here. The in-game Classico update. 1-0 Barcelona, in case anybody's wondering. But here we are with some cryptocurrency news and the market update. Two stories. The first story is Fidelity joins $1.9 million round in blockchain data startup. Coinmetrics. Blockchain analytics startup Coinmetrics has closed a $1.9 million seed round with Fidelity Investments, Highland Capital Partners, and Dragonfly Capital. Announced today, the startup also released its first suite of commercial products for institutions seeking customized research reports. Coinmetrics co-founder and board chairman Nick Carter told CoinDesk that institutional investors aren't satisfied with the current crop of price aggregation services that don't distinguish the integrity of different data sets. One thing we're looking at is building out white list of exchanges so that the market reference rates are actually based on credible exchanges, as opposed to exchanges that engage in wash trading and other type of nonsense, Carter said. So, interesting news. Fidelity has been in the news a little bit with blockchain recently, as I think they've had something to do now with the lightning torch. Brief interruption there, got a call. Second story is blockchain fund launches with $22 million round backed by Roger Ver. So, Switzerland-based Pangea blockchain fund is making its debut after closing a $22 million seed round backed by crypto investor Roger Ver. Announcing the news on Wednesday, Pangea said other investors in the round included Copernicus Asset Management, a Swiss firm regulated by the country's financial market supervisory authority. Copernicus is also acting as investment manager for the fund. Pangea will invest in transformative blockchain startups around the world to provide them with an early-stage capital boost and other resources. The aim is to focus on commercial and industrial applications of blockchain tech, and there are no plans to invest in cryptocurrency, the fund said. The fund's Swiss investment advisor is Blockchain Investment Advisory Sagel, which U.S.-based Blockchain Investment Advisory LLC is acting as sub-advisor. Pangea expects to cap its fundraising at $200 million. James Duplessis, co-founder of Blockchain Investment Advisory Sagel, said he believes blockchain tech will fundamentally alter the way society collaborates, transacts, governs, and brings new concepts to life. Sounds like he's been reading my book. Into the market. Don't forget, tomorrow is the hard fork of the Ethereum blockchain and the hard fork of Constantinople. So look for some price volatility with Ether. Kind of surprised it hasn't already started moving up, but today it's actually down. So Bitcoin down 1.93% at $3,789. Ethereum down 3.48%, $133.30. EOS up 0.29%, $3.45. Litecoin down 1.02%, $44.88. Bitcoin Cash down 2.08%, $131.36. Monero down 0.65%, $48.27. Dash down 2.4%, $80.86. Neo down 1.8%, $8.87. Ethereum Classic down 0.87%, $4.28. Steem down 2.2%, 34 cents. And lastly, to FlashCoin, which is currently at 0.0036 cents, down 0.97% for the last 24 hours. Aggregate market cap $127,877,763,000 USD. And Bitcoin dominance at 52.04%. So That hasn't moved at all since yesterday. It'll be interesting to see what happens the next 24, 36 hours, 2 days, well, the next couple days, as the mining reward for Ethereum, is going to be increased by 33%, the difficulty, or the reward. So 33% less. So that means the supply is going to be less for the miners, and supply and demand. I don't know how many people study economics. The majority, I think, in this space are pretty economically sound or have a strong economic background. So supply and demand, supply goes down, price should go up in this case. So we will have to see. If it doesn't go up, I'm going to be pretty shocked, and I'm going to have to cry some manipulation, I think, on this. I'm looking for it to go up, though. We'll have to wait and see. Everyone have a good Wednesday evening.